Okay, it's time to buy some really cute kits. This is the Autumn Skies kit. It is designed, the pattern, by It's So Emma, which is the Kimberly Jolly of Fat Quarter Shop. And it is specifically designed for this Harvest Wishes product line, and it's actually made by Moda. The kits are for the lap size, and the pattern is for table runner, lap, or twin size. These are lap size kits with the original beautiful fabric. This is the Moda Bella Solids off-white that we've added for the neutral. This one actually looks beautiful with it. This is part of Robert Kaufman's Chalk and Charcoal and Amber. It matches the kit perfectly. And so we've got 3 of the kits that are lap size, and then we've got 1 kit that is the table runner that's cut. So there will be 1 table runner kit, and there will be 3 of the lap size kits. And so the table runner kit is $39.95, and if you want backing, you have your choice of either the tan, the blue, or the aqua, and then that becomes $59.95. The lap quilts are $79.95, and then you get your choice of backing if you want to do the backing that is in the cord knit fabric, and those are going to be $119.95. But there's only 1 table runner kit, and there's 3 of the lap quilts, but these are adorable. So time to shop now, DianeSews.com.